Welcome to Raised by Grace Trade in Zambia. We welcome you once again to this wonderful segment in which we are going to be learning how to indicate the RSI Relative Strength Index on your MT4 or MT5. So I have both MT4 and MT5. If you have multiple accounts, it is good for you to download both applications from your Play Store, because that way you just switch easily when you're placing trades when we have those wonderful opportunities. So we are going to start with the MT4. The difference between the MT4 and the MT5 is that the MT5 is more advanced in terms of putting your stop losses, take profits, and the overall experience of the software is just it's easier, it's more fluid, it has more options. It's actually the latest version from the MT4. So from MT4 we have the MT5, but in this case we'll start with the basic software, which is the MT4. So I'm going to click inside our MT4 platform. This is a very quick video, so feel free to request for the other videos on account opening, setting up of your stop losses, take profits, entering of trades, the 30 level of the RSI, the 70 level of the RSI, how to use them during a trading session, and so forth. And this video is private, so you are not going to see it on the overall YouTube channel, but feel free to subscribe too, so that you can also be alerted on the other content which we have. But specifically, this is a private session, so we are going to do it like this. And then as we continue with these sessions, request for the videos which you want, and then will be sent to you so that you can be up to date with what's happening. We are only going to focus on indicating the RSI level in this video and have us ready to place those trades. So when you click on your charts, you're going to notice this F sign here. When you click on this F sign here, you're going to find all the indicators which are listed on your chart. In this case, we only have one indicator, and mostly when you download the Metafor Trader directly from the Play Store, it is going to come with those default indicators. We want you to remove all those indicators and only have the indicator which we are going to show you in this video. So first of all, let's delete all the indicators. Click on your screen, go on the F sign, and then on your right top there, you are going to see a delete signal. And once you press on it, it's going to help you mark all the indicators listed. In this case, we only have the relative strength index listed, but we are going to remove it and place it once again. So let's click on the delete sign and mark all the indicators. So I only have one indicator, so I've only marked one, and it's marked. And the only thing for me now to do is to just delete it, and we have a free chart. So once we have a clear chart, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to place in the relative strength index, the RSI, which is going to help us to place our trades and be confident in the market, and just monitor the market as we are progressing in each and every trade. So we are going to click on the screen once again, come on our F sign, and then we are going to see the main chart function here. We are going to click on it, and a list of indicators is going to show. So we are going to scroll down and go for the relative strength index, the RSI. Here we have it, relative strength index. And if you see, the period is at 14 and the apply is to close, the star is 2 pixels, and we can just apply it the way it is. It's perfect. So we just click on done. Wonderful. So what we have now is the RSI put back on our chart, and if we go to our charts, we are going to see it listed beautifully, just like that. Now the candlesticks, if you want to create these wonderful colors, For me, I have put green for my bullish candles. That means when the market starts to buy, when we have enough strength in the markets, I would love it to be printing with the green candlesticks. They should show me the appreciation of price of our gold assets. And then when the price is dropping, I would love it to indicate with the red candlesticks. Again, feel free to request for the videos on the candlesticks, the lot size calculations, and the many other videos which you need to know for you to be more comfortable so that you can all be moving in one pace. Most of us already have this knowledge, but if you have been left in any video, just feel free to message us and we are going to give it to you, and we can all be on the same pace. So to set these candlesticks is very simple. Click the left top part and go to the settings. And when you come to the settings, we have all these wonderful settings. We have the advanced mode, click on it. I had already clicked on it. The play sound, the order sound. When you place a trade, it must make a sound so that you can be sure that you have entered that trade. And then when we scroll down here, we're going to see the label charts. On the charts, always ensure it is on the candlesticks. Feel free to go to our other videos on the type of charts. We have the line chart, the bar chart, and the candlestick chart. In this video, we are going to focus on the candlestick chart because that is the chart which we like to use. So we are on the candlesticks now. And for the colors, just scroll down. We have the colors wonderful here. And you can see all the necessary trading settings have been set already. My ask line has been set. Period separators have been set. Independent charts, everything has been set. So just copy and mark, and you'll be set also. On the colors, click on the colors. We will focus only on the bullish candles and the bearish candles. The bullish candles are the candles which indicate the appreciation in price of our gold asset, and the bear candle signals depreciation in our gold assets. So we want to add the colors which we like for our specific candles. For the bull candle, we are on green. As you can see, I've clicked this version of the green color. There are many green colors. You can just select the one that appeals to the eye and so forth. And on the bear candle, we have a lot of variations of the red color. So I click this one because it appears to my eye. And then once we have done this, we just click on done, and then we are going to have our candlesticks in this way. You can see I've added my grids. These boxes, they are just the grid lines. I can choose to remove them or add them because of the way I would love my charts to appear. So feel free to play around with the settings and set them as you would love them to be. For me specifically, I love to make sure that my chart has the grid boxes, and also has the period separators. Just like that, when you mark it, it's going to reflect automatically. And we are set to trade. So all we have to do now is just wait. And as we are in our lovely sessions, we are going to receive the low price to buy at and the high price to sell it at. And for us in the academy, we are receiving all our signals for free. It is the courtesy of Raised by Grace Trade in Zambia to ensure that all those in the academy can just receive our signals for free, and then they can focus on just polishing up their skills and having that best opportunity to just boost their trading abilities. Okay, feel free to request for any other videos which you have been given in your curriculum so that you can be on point with every session which we have. Remember, uh, we all want us to be on moving on the same pace and just uh, be growing together and seeing those nice rewards in the marketplace. Gold is going to 3,900 per ounce in the next few months. We had predicted gold to be at 3,000. We have already crossed that 3,000 line, and we just want it now to push much further and appreciate more in value. Race by Grace Trading signing out. My face has been hidden from this video because I wanted us to be able to just focus on the charts. But feel free to request for the other videos and just help you out in all these sessions. So that is it for this video. Thank you. Remember, you can only access this video through the private links sent to you. I'll be signing out now, and I would love to see you in the next session. Thank you. My name is Harmon Adolangelo. I was the one presenting in this session, and I hope you have enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we are going to assist you in every way possible. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.